Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the WordPress import tool, a simple way to bring all your content into your WordPress site effortlessly. Whether you're moving from another site or just consolidating content, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Start by opening your browser and going to WordPress. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner and click Login. You'll see several sign-in options. Choose Continue with Google for a fast, secure login. Make sure to select the Google account linked to your WordPress site. Once you're logged in, head over to the Tools section in your dashboard. Depending on your theme, it might be in a slightly different spot, but it's usually easy to spot. Click on Tools, then select Import. Here, you'll see multiple options for different platforms, but for our purpose, choose WordPress. Next, you'll decide what to import. If you want to bring in just your posts and pages without extra settings or design elements, select Import Content Only. This keeps things clean and makes post-import management easier. Now it's time to upload your WordPress export file. Click the button to browse your computer, locate your file, and select it. The import process will start immediately. Depending on your file size, this may take a few moments, so be patient. And that's it. Once the import completes, all your content will be live on your site, ready for you to manage, edit, and showcase. Using this step-by-step method ensures a smooth content migration without headaches. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a WordPress tip. Happy site building!